What if you have 1,000 different objects in your 3D scene that need materials applied to them randomly? How would you solve that problem? Let me show you how. The software I'm using here isn't important. Just pay attention to the logic being used here. I start by creating all the materials I need in the material editor, and I make sure they are sequential, which means I start from slot 1 to maybe 18, depending on how many slots I have available in my software of choice. Once that's done, I select all the objects I'd like to apply materials to and open the Max Script Listener window. With the window open, type in a small script like this: for object in selection, do, followed by an open bracket. Inside the open bracket, type object.material followed by space, followed by an equal sign, followed by space. Then after the space, type edit materials, followed by an open square bracket. Inside the square bracket, type random space 1 space 18, followed by a closed square bracket, followed by a regular bracket. If you get an error in red text as shown, re-examine your script and correct any spelling mistakes that may have occurred. In this case, I typed edit material instead of edit materials. After making the change and hitting the enter key on my keyboard, I get an OK text, which means the script ran successfully. If I now look at my 3D viewport, I see that all of the objects I selected initially now have all the specified materials in the material editor applied to them.